In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Steam purchase has not been completed due to credit card. Let's get started. First, make sure that your payment information is entered correctly in your Steam account, including your card number, expiration date, billing address, and CVV code. Even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. Next, check if your credit or debit card has enough balance available and make sure the card has not expired or been temporarily frozen by bank. Another thing is to turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using because Steam payments can sometimes fail if your location does not match your payment reason. After that, if you're using Steam app, make sure it is fully updated. Likewise, if you're on mobile, you can check for updates in your phone settings under software update. You should also verify that your system store reason and your device reason are set correctly because mismatched reasons can cause payment issues. If everything looks correct but the error still appears, try removing your payment method from Steam and adding it again or use a different payment method temporarily. In some cases, your bank may block the transaction for security reasons, so contacting your card provider can help. Finally, if nothing works, wait a few hours and try again later because Steam servers or payment systems may be temporarily busy. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.